Okay, what you saying, people, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I just got a short video, quick tutorial on how to open a new demo account using my broker IC Markets, and also how to download MT4 onto your computer. So just a quick tutorial, and I hope you find it useful. Okay, so we're going to use IC Markets to create our demo account. So this is the front page for IC Markets. You're going to click try a free demo. Okay, so then it takes you to this page where you add your details in. So you state the country you're in, your first name, your surname, your email, whether you want any newsletters, and your phone number. And once you've done that, you click register, and then you'll be taken to this page where you essentially create your account. So which platform you can be trading on. So I'm going to show you how to download MT4. So MT4 is also the platform that I use to trade, so I'm going to keep that as MT4. Then you can either choose what account type you want, standard account or raw spread. Standard account is basically where you don't pay commissions but you have higher spreads, and raw spread is obviously tighter spreads but you pay more commission. So you can choose what you want on that. It doesn't really matter too much because it's a demo account, so you can just keep it as raw spread. Choose what currency you'll be trading on. Obviously I live in the UK, so it would be GBP for me. Then choose what leverage you use. Again, I think that's the only option there for demo account, so 1 to 30, and then your initial deposit. So probably want to deposit how much you'll probably be trading with when you move to a live account. So do it too much, like 100,000, unless you're going to deposit 100,000, and fair play, use 100,000, but keep it realistic. So maybe 1,000 or 200. So keep it around a small amount, so what you're going to deposit when you actually move on to live trading, and then you click proceed. Okay, so now you've done all that, you've created your demo account, you've successfully opened your demo account with IC Markets. Email will be sent to you with your trading account login, and now you need to download the MT4 platform if you haven't already. So to do that, you just click download here, and then obviously MT4 is here. You've got MT5, but we're going to be using MT4 for this one. So you click download, and then it should be downloading onto your files. I'm going to click open, click next, and then IC Markets should be downloading onto your computer. Then you want to click finish, and then this is just a sign up thing. You don't really need to do this at all. And then once you've done that, you want to go back to your files, your download files, so you can download MT4 and get it up and running. Okay, so MT4 should automatically pop up onto your screen. If it doesn't, just go into your download folder and click on this file here, and you should be able to download the folder again and just go through the same process that I just went through from IC Markets. And then it should ask you to log into your demo account, and you should have got an email from IC Markets once you set up your demo account. So you would have got an email, so just go and check your emails, and then you would have your login, your password, and also which server to use as well. So again, you're just going to copy and paste that, your login in there, your password, and choose which server it is. In this case, it's a demo 03 for me. So then I'll log in, and now you should be logged into your demo account. So you click on trade in the bottom left corner. You'll see the balance that you allocated yourself when you're setting up the account, and now you'll be able to trade. So that's how you set up a demo account using IC Markets onto MT4. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you all found it useful. If you have any questions because you're stuck with something or you're having issues, just leave it down in the comments and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. But like I said, it's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and until the next one, I'll see you later.